Let's solve this inequality together. It says, solve y plus 2 all over 4 minus y minus 1 all over 3 is greater than 1. How can we solve this problem? Right. Permit me, originally it's not in the expression, to introduce 1 here. Alright, so I've introduced this 1. That means I've got a fraction here, a fraction here, a fraction here. So the next thing I need to do is to remove the fraction. How can I remove the fraction? Look at my denominator here is 4, 3, and 1. I need to find the LCM of 3, 4, and 1. That is the lowest common multiple. What can 4, 3, and 1 divide? That should be 12. So 4 can divide 12, 3 can divide 12, and 1 can divide 12. That means our LCM is 12. Now, I'm going to multiply every term of this expression using the LCM, which is 12. So I'm going to have 12 multiplied by y plus 2 all over 4 minus, use a bracket now, y minus 1 all over 3 multiplied by 12 is greater than 1 all over 1 multiplied by 12. 4 in itself is 1. 4 in 12 is 3. 3 in itself is 1. 3 in 12 is 4. 1, we cancel 1, so we have 1 here still. Now, let us write it in a different way. We're going to have, remember there is 3 here now. So use this 3 to open the bracket. 3 times y, 3y, plus 3 times 2, 6. We are done with this bracket. Move on to this side. You notice that I enclose this y minus 1 with a bracket. Why? Because this negative sign here is dangerous. It's going to affect these two. So it's always safe to enclose it with a bracket in order to deal with the effect. We're going to now have, remember there is 4 here. Good. So minus, still my bracket is there because of this young man. 4 times y, 4y, minus 4 times 1 will give me 4, is greater than 12. What do I do next? I'm going to have 3y plus 6 minus times 4y will give me minus 4y. Minus times minus is plus. That will give me 4. Have you seen why I had to enclose these two with a bracket? The negative sign here has affected this sign here. And then we are left with this. How do we simplify this further? Collect like terms. That means all the numbers that are like should come together. So we have on this side 3y minus 4y. I've dealt with my alphabet first. Then greater than 12 is on this side. So plus 6 we go here to become minus 6. And then plus 4 we go here to become minus 4. What does that leave us with? We have minus y. There is 1 here, but I'm not going to write it. So 3 minus 4 give me 1. We just write y greater than 12 minus 6. What does it give? 6. 6 minus 4, 2. So we're going to have 2 here. But we are not done. We're not looking for minus y, we're looking for y. So we're going to divide both sides by minus 1. I told you that there is 1 here, but it's invisible. So divide both sides by minus 1. We're going to have minus 1 all over minus 1. Now, because you are dividing with negative sign, you must reverse the inequality sign. So what does that mean? This we cancel. We have that y is now less than minus 2. And this is how to solve it. So whenever you are dividing with a negative sign or a negative number, reverse the inequality sign. So from greater than to less than. And this is how to solve this problem. Hit me up, leave a comment, please share and like, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.